Hello students, and welcome back to a new math lesson, lesson number 2. In lesson number 1 we already talked about the divisibility of any number by 9 and how do we check if our number is divisible or not. If you remember, we said that in order to check the divisibility of any number by 9 we just add its digits. If it adds up to 9, like 63 for example, add the digits of 63, 6 plus 3 equal 9, which means that our number is divisible by 9. One more example, take 666, add the digits of 666, you will get 18, and keep on adding the digits of 18, 1 plus 8 equal 9, and as long as your answer as long as the addition of the digits is 9, this means that your answer or your number is divisible by 9. As you see, 666 by 9, you will get no remainder. Now the new thing that we're gonna learn today, and the new secret, that in case our number is not divisible by 9, let's say 13, if you add the digits of 13, 1 plus 3 equal 4. The secret is that the remainder of the division of 13 by 9 is the sum of the digits itself, 4. So as you see, 13 divided 9 is 1 remainder 4. This remainder is the same as the number of the digits of our number, the sum of the digits of our number. One more example, I will take the number 4321, 4321. If you add its digits, you will get 10, and again keep on adding the digits of the number 10. 1 plus 0 equal 1. This one is the remainder of our division by 9. So take 4321 and divide it by 9. You will get an answer whose remainder is 1. This one we already predicted from here that our remainder will be 1. This is a nice secret about the number 9, is that if the number is if the digits the sum of the digits of our number is 9, it is divisible by 9. If not, whatever is your answer, it is the remainder of the division by 9. The last example, 87461, 87,461. If you add the digits, you will get 26. Add the digits of 26 again, you will get 8, and 8 is the remainder of the division of our number by 9. So this is a wonderful secret about number 9. This is our remainder 8, which we already predicted from here that we will have a remainder of 8. Thank you so much.